So as here you can see that I have used one clamp and an extension rod from monopod, and this is the metallic ball head of Digitech, and my camera Nikon D750 along with 35mm 1.8 prime lens. And as here you can see that I can move this camera wherever I want, in whichever direction I want. So this is the setup, and this rod is the curtain rod that I have attached it here. So I will take few shots by using this setup, and I will try to show what are the shots that I have taken using this setup.